Hello, friends. It's Miss Martinez. Welcome to today's writing lesson. Today, we are going to be talking about personal, possessive, and indefinite pronouns. So, we have talked about pronouns in the past, and so today is a little bit of a review of what pronouns are and how we use them to complete sentences. So today, what are we going to be able to do? We're going to be able to determine what pronouns are by using the correct ones in a sentence. Right now, we're going to watch a quick BrainPop video, and then I'm going to come back and share with you how we find pronouns. So I'm going to start the BrainPop video, and then I will come back and see you in just a second.
Moby and me went to the store. Moby and I went to the store? Hey, would you say Moby and me went to the store or Moby and I went to the store? That wasn't even an option. Dear Tim and Moby, what are personal pronouns? From Tara. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Personal pronouns refer to people. For example, meet Moby. He is my best friend. The word he is a pronoun that refers back to Moby and replaces it in the second sentence. We could just use Moby's name twice, but sometimes that sounds weird. The word that a pronoun refers to is called its antecedent. Personal pronouns have to agree with their antecedent in gender, number, and something called case, which I'll explain later. I couldn't say she is my best friend. That wouldn't make sense. Right, because you're a boy robot. I think. Pronouns also have to agree with their antecedent in number. There's only one Moby, so I use the singular pronoun he. If I were talking about two robots, I'd use a plural pronoun, like meet Moby and Orbot. They are my best friends. Actually, yeah, they can be used as a singular pronoun too. Like if you said, I'm going to see my friend, I could ask, where do they live? Since I don't know your friend's gender identity. And some individuals prefer they as a pronoun. Like meet Orbot, they are my best friend. It was just an example. Finally, the pronoun and its antecedent have to agree in case. There are three cases: subjective, objective, and possessive. Subjective case is when the pronoun is the subject, like he is my best friend. Objective case is when the pronoun is the object, like I have known him for a long time. Which takes me back to that question I had earlier. Which is correct? Moby and me went to the store, or Moby and I went to the store? Since the pronoun is part of the subject, we use the subjective case, I. But that can sometimes be tough to hear, so you can use this trick. If you're trying to figure out whether to use I or me when you're talking about yourself and someone else, just try taking the other person out. Now, you wouldn't say me went to the store. I went to the store is correct. So, Moby and I went to the store. Lastly, possessive case is when the pronoun tells you that something belongs to the antecedent. As in, the store belongs to Ms. Gordon. The store is hers. What do you mean you bought the store? Fine, the store is yours.